Midjourney pricing review, watch before using. Midjourney is one of the most powerful AI image generators, but is it worth the price? Let's break it down. Midjourney offers 4 subscription tiers: Basic, $10 a month; Standard, $30, $60 a month; and Mega, $120 a month. The Basic plan gives you 3.3 hours of GPU time per month, which means roughly 200 images, but it lacks access to the fast rendering queue. The Standard plan includes 15 GPU hours, access to the fast queue, and relaxed mode for unlimited generations at a slower pace. The Pro plan doubles that to 30 GPU hours, allows private generations, meaning your images won't appear in the public feed, and provides faster processing. Finally, the Mega plan offers 60 GPU hours, the highest priority in the queue, and extensive private generation benefits. Who is Midjourney for? If you're a casual user, the Basic plan might be enough, but you'll hit the limit quickly. Artists, designers, and content creators should go for the Standard or Pro plan, as they offer the best balance of speed and flexibility. If you're a professional using AI for commercial projects, the Mega plan is the best option, though it's expensive. Unlike DALL-E or Stable Diffusion, Midjourney runs entirely through Discord, which can be a downside for those preferring standalone software. However, the results are highly detailed, artistic, and superior to most competitors. Another thing to note, Midjourney does not have a free trial anymore, so you must subscribe to even test it. Is it worth the price? If you're serious about AI-generated images, yes. Midjourney consistently outperforms other AI image tools in artistic quality, realism, and consistency. But if you only need a few images occasionally, the pricing can feel steep. One drawback? There's no pay-as-you-go option, so unused GPU hours don't roll over. Final verdict: if you need high-quality AI images regularly, Midjourney's Standard or Pro plan is the sweet spot. The Basic plan is too limited, and the Mega plan is only for heavy users. If you're unsure, start with Standard and upgrade if needed. No refunds, no free trial, so choose wisely.